In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to quickly and easily create a dental logo for a clinic, a dentist, or an orthodontist. Paceit makes it easy. You don't need to be a designer, and you certainly don't need to hire one to get professional looking results. So let's get started by going to the top left-hand side and mousing over logos, and then sliding over to the right and clicking on dentist so we can see all of the dentist logo templates that are available. So we have a bunch of different templates. We could just click on any one of these and use them as a starting point to create our logo. Or what we can do is simply go up here where it says company name and either type the name of the clinic or the name of the dentist. For example, let's say our clinic is called Smile Dental Clinic. So as soon as I'm done typing that, Paceit starts to generate previews, and that makes it very easy to see what the name is actually going to look like on any one of these. So let's say that I like the way that this one looks. I'll simply click on it, and then we can start to edit that template. All right, now we can tweak it by going to the left-hand side and editing the text. So you'll notice we have a bunch of little text boxes, and we can edit these the same way we would in any text editor. We would simply just click on that box and start to type, and whatever we type here is going to be shown on the design. So I'm going to go ahead and actually get rid of this. Now, to the left of each one of these text boxes, we have a little check mark. If we click on it, we get rid of that line of text. And if we click on it again, we add it back to the design. You'll notice that every time I make a change, you get to see that change in real time on the template. So that makes it super easy to edit these and just basically tweak them until they're perfect. Now, below we have the text button. If we click on it, we get a drop down with all these different fonts that we can choose from. I'm just going to click on another one to show you what that looks like. You'll notice that this part of the text changed to this font. Now to the right, we have the color picker. If I click on it, we get a bunch of preset colors that we can choose from. We can also click on more and then click and drag and pick any color that we like. We could also input the hex code if we happen to have that right here, and then click on choose to set that color. So I'm going to go ahead and change that back. Okay, and let's see here. I'm going to change the second line of text to say clinic. Smile Clinic, and I think I'll change the font here of the second line to match the first one. So let's see, that's this one here. All right. I think I'll also change this teal color. I think I want a lighter blue here, so let's change it to that, maybe a little bit darker. Okay, so that looks pretty good. So next we go to the third line where it says your slogan here, and you'll notice that once I click on this box, we get these little buttons. These let us change the size of the text, so from small to medium to large. So I think I'll actually leave it small, and instead of putting a slogan, I think I'll just put the location of the clinic. So I'll put Sacramento, California. All right. Next we have a little layout section. So let me just click on some of these so you can see what they do. Basically, they change the orientation of the graphic and the text, either moving everything to the right or to the left or centering it. All right, so I think I like the way that this looks. Next, we move on to the right-hand side where we have our graphic options and graphic colors. Right now it's set to white. We can also change the color and click on more, just like with the text. Let's see here, we have a bunch of different options for icons. Let's see, I think I like this one. All right, that looks pretty good. Next, we have the background color. We can change that as well if we like. I think I like this blue color though, so I'll leave it as it is. And we can also change the gradient or the background color. So we can have it going from a lighter color to a darker color, maybe a radial gradient, kind of lighter in the center and darker at the edges. Or we can even upload our own custom image for the background if we'd like to do that, or just get rid of all these and just use a color. But I think I like the way that this gradient looks. So once we're satisfied with our logo and we're ready to download it, we simply go to the top section here where we have the big blue download button. I would click on that and we get this pop-up that gives us the format and the resolution our logo is going to be in. Next, we would simply click on the purchase button and follow those steps. Paceit also has an unlimited subscription for only $29 a month. That means you not only get your logo, but also flyers, business cards, and even social media images for your dental practice. So you don't need to hire a designer or purchase any expensive software. Paceit makes everything super easy. So what are you waiting for? Get started today.